So, let's solve this question. This question came in the year 2021. And IIT Bombay, they conducted GATE exam in the year 2021. So, don't jump to the conclusion that the paper will be quite difficult. Okay. It might be possible that the paper was difficult, but maybe it's also possible that this question is easy. Okay. So without reading the whole question, don't think that the question will be tough because it is conducted by IIT Bombay. Okay. So anyway, let's solve this question. You can see it's a C programming code is given. Okay. A two-dimensional array is there. And ultimately what they are asking the output which is printed. Okay. So let's solve it. So here you can see two-dimensional arrays there with 4 rows and 5 columns. Okay, with 4 rows and 5 columns. So just like this, let's draw 4 rows. Okay, 4 rows, and in each row there will be 5 cells. Okay, row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4. I think it's visible to you. And in each row there are 5 cells. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here you see 4 rows are there and 5 columns are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 columns are there. Okay. So let's write the index. It's a 0th row, it's a first row, it's a second row, it's a third row. Okay. And let's write the column number was 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a simple matrix concept that you have studied in your class 12. Okay. So, let's fill these rows and columns. So, here you see a for loop is there. 2 for loops are there. For I is equal to 0. So, I is basically for the row part and j is basically for the column part. For I is equal to 0, if I is 0, okay, 0 less than 4 true, then come to j. J is 0, yes, j is 0. 0 less than 5, yes. Then array of I, j is equal to 10 into I plus j. So, array of I, j means what? What is, just write, in place of I, what is the value of I? 0. In place of j, it is 0. Then array of 0, 0 is equal to 10 into 0 plus 0. Let me write it. Name of this array is ARR. Okay. So, array of ij. What is I? 0. What is j? 0. It is 10 into, in place of I will write 0, in place of j I will write 0. That is 0. So array of 0, 0 is 0. Okay. So now j value will be incremented to 1 from 0 to 1. Okay. So now array of I will remain as 0. Okay, no problem. So now array of 0, 1. What is array of 0, 1? Okay. Don't change this because it's 10 is getting multiplied with I and I is 0. Okay. So nothing change will happen here. Okay. So array of 0, 1 is 10. 10 into I plus j. What is j? Now j is 1. So 10 into 0 plus 1 is 1. Similarly, for array of 0, 2, what is array of 0, 2? 10 into 0 plus 2. Okay, because I value is 0 and now j has incremented to 2. 10 into 0 plus 2 is 2. Similarly, array of 0, 3, 10 into 0 plus 3. Because now this time j is 3. 10 into 0 plus 3. What is 10 into 0 plus 3? 10 into 0 plus 3 is 3. Similarly, array of 0, 4 is 4. Okay. So now, now we have moved up to j is equal to 4. Okay. So this for loop is over. So again now come to the upper for loop. I value will be incremented to 1 from 0 to 1. Okay. And now Again we will start from here, j is equal to 0. So for yes, j is equal to 0. So I is 1 and now j is 0. Okay, and now j is 0. I is 1 and j is 0. So array of ij. Array of ij means what? What is I? I is 1 and now j is 0. So this time 10 into I plus j. So I value will remain as 1. Okay. So now 10 into 1 plus what is j? J is 0. 10 into 1 plus 0 is 10. Now j value will be incremented to 1 from 0 to 1. So now array of 1 1 is 10 into 1 plus what is j now? J is 1. 10 into 1 plus 1, that is 11. 11. Similarly, it will be 12. J value will be incremented to 2. Now 10 into 1 plus, you see, j value will be incremented to 2. Fine. So now array of 1 of 2. What is array of 1 of 2? 10 into 1 plus 2. That is 12. Similarly, you can fill up all these cells. Okay. 13 and 14. Fine. And now for the next row, I value will become 2. Fine. And again, j will start from 0. So now array of ij. So I value is 2 now. 2. And j will again start from 0. J will again start from 0. So 2 into array of 2 of 0. What is array of 2 of 0? 10 into what is I? 2. 10 into 2 plus 0. Okay. What is 10 into 2 plus 0? 20. Then again, j value will be incremented by 1. So what is array of 2 1? 10 into 2 plus 1. That is 21. So similarly, it will be 21, 22, 23, 24. And you just apply the same logic and you will get it is at 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Okay. So this 2D array has been completely initialized. Okay. So what they are asking in the question, they are asking what is the value that is printed here. Okay. So just let me write this here. So I am going to rub this. Okay. And yes, and also one thing is there. Let's write the address part also. Okay, for your convenience. So what is the address here? 100. So just assume integer of 2 byte. Okay. Then this is 102. Then this is 104, 106, 108. Then this one is 110, 112, 114, 116, 118. Okay. Then 120, 122, 124, 126, 128, then 130, 132, 134, 136, 138. Okay, I have written the address also, but I don't know whether it is required or not. But for your convenience, I have written it. Okay. So now what they are asking to find out this value. Okay. So let's write it. What's written? Star of, just write it, I am writing it here. Star of array of 1 plus 9. Okay. So here you see, although the logical representation of this 2D array is like this, but in the memory, this array will be represented like this. Okay. Like this. Let me draw here. In the contiguous block. Okay. Like this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is 0, 0, then 0, 1, then 0, 2, then 0, 3, then 0, 4. Fine. Then 1, 0, then 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Okay. Then 2, then 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4. 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4. Okay. and so on. So what I told you, that logical representation of this 2D array is like this, but in the main memory it will be just like this, contiguous blocks. Okay, and the address of this will be like 100. Just write down this address: 102, then 104, then 106, then 108. So what is the address of A of 10? 110. 110. What is the address of A of 11? 112. Just copy it down. 114, 116, 118. Just check this. Array of 1 of 4 is what? 118. 1 of 4 is 118, and here you see 1 of 4 is 118. Similarly, what is array of 2 of 0? 2 of 0 is 120. So 120. So 2 of 1 is 122, then 124, then 126, then 128, and so on. Okay. So now, star array of 1 plus 9. Fine. So what is array of 1? So let's solve it. Star ARR of 1 plus 9. Okay. So star ARR. So what is ARR? What is the what here we have to write the base address of ARR. Okay. ARR of 1. What is ARR of 1? ARR of 1 means what? This one. Okay. Because this one is ARR of 0 and this one is ARR of 1. Okay. So ARR of 1 means what? Here we have to write the base address of this one-dimensional array. Okay. So what is the base address of this one-dimensional array? 110. Fine. So what I have written in place of ARR of 1, I have written 110. Okay. Plus 9. Fine. So what is 110 plus 9? 110, it means here. It means 110 means what? I am here. Or you can say that you are here. Okay. So 110 plus 9 means what? You have to move to further to the next 9 elements. Okay. Like this. This is 110. Then next 9 element is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. It means what? 128. Or you can say like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what is star of 110 plus 9? It is star of 128. Fine. And what is star of 128? It means what? What is the value at the address 128? That is 24. So 24 is the answer. Fine. So option C is correct. Okay. Okay. Thank you.